This presentation looks at the 7 polls conducted on March 13, 2015, and their average results per party. At the end of the presentation, we will see how the Bible codes differ from these polls. The Knesset, or the Parliament, is the subject of the matrix in dealing with these coming Israeli elections. At stakes, there are 120 seats, and as we'll go down, we will show how many seats each party is declared to gather in this election. The elections are for the 20th Knesset, or the ruling body in Israel. The term tells us that the head of the Knesset will be either for strength of Israel or wickedness. It states that the elections are for this 17th of March in 2015, or in its version of the Hebrew calendar, Chaf Vav Adar. There is a clear reference to Benjamin Netanyahu by the name Binyamin. It also refers to him as either high, senior, important, or esteemed. Preceding the name Benjamin, there are 2 letters that can stand for Rosh Memshala, or Prime Minister, but it does not necessarily mean that he'll be elected as Prime Minister. It can be said also that he is one of those who are running to become the next Prime Minister, who is currently the Prime Minister. There are several blocks of parties. We have the right, the left, the center, religious, Arabs, etc. The right-wing parties are suggested to gather together 51 seats. The Likud, it says, will get 21 seats. The religious party Shas will get 6 seats. The ultra-religious parties will get 10 seats, meaning 6 for Shas and 4 for together. Yahadut Torah, or the Jewish Torah, will get 6 seats. Habayit Yehudi, or the Jewish Home, will get 13 seats. Totaling all those parties that have declared that they'll be on the right side will add up to 50 seats. Kulanu is one of the parties that did not declare that they will go for the right bloc. However, they may go to the left or the right. They have 9 seats. Israel Beitenu, which also may go with the right bloc, has 4 seats according to the matrix. In total, the right bloc may count to 63 to 64 seats. If we look at the individual 7 polls that were conducted and look at their average, and then we compare it to the results we have seen for the Bible codes, for the right-wing parties or those that will associate with the right-wing party, we'll see how very, very, very close, if not identical, the results are to the average.